Next is Rich. Take me go ahead straight on out. Yep, I gotta figure out who is in 870 Alpha because they definitely messed that up. Not supposed to land when they say do a low approach only. So, keep going straight.
Straight out.
Legacy 7 Mike Charlie, contact Sky departure, have a nice flight.
See you later, 7 Mike Charlie.
And then now you can start making that left turn.
7 Jude Alpha, runway 16, clear for the option.
Clear for the option 16, 87 Juliet Alpha.
Alright, so
Yep,
just like normal, I just want a little bit of back pressure, like right about there maybe.
And full throttle. Yeah, everything is
green.
We just got a few scattered clouds in the area.
Copy that for Cessna 6 Mike Papa. On the go, plan a left turn heading 040 and just maintain VFR on the go.
Mike Papa,
A little bit of that back pressure.
Mike Papa.
Copy that.
Okay, there's that 60. I want to try to pitch for that 70. And then just try to hold that 70. And remember, you can use that trim off. That's where that guy is there to help you. So a little bit more of that back trim. Right now we're doing about that 75.
Says 01 Golf, just extend the upwind 1 mile.
Extend the upwind 1 mile, 01 Golf.
There we go. Alrighty. You are now clear of your 50-foot obstacle. You can go ahead and resume your normal takeoff.
Alright.
And just,
Cessna 6 Mike Papa, just use caution. There's mowers close but clear, first, third, right side.
yeah, just always just try to keep that back pressure in there to try to maintain that 70 as we're climbing up.
Okay.
And whenever you're ready.
So yeah, just to extend.
Yep, half mile.
Half mile?
I'll say this is about a half mile.
Alright.
A little bit hazy still out here. I can barely make out downtown right now.
Clearance, good morning. It's 926 Romeo Charlie. Looking for a clearance to Teterboro, please.
November 926 Romeo Charlie, clearance is 124.7.
I'll hit the switch.
Cessna 7 Jude Alpha, extend your upwind 1 mile.
Extend upwind 1 mile, 87 Juliet Alpha.
Cessna 6 Mike Papa, were you going to taxi back to parking or just go to the
Parking 6 Mike Papa.
Target 1533 Papa Juliet is with you on the RNAV 16.
Citation 533 Papa Juliet, Executive Tower, advise you have information Sierra, runway 16 clear to land number 2, following a Cessna on a mile final.
Alright, 16 clear to land, we do have Sierra Papa Juliet.
Cessna 01 Golf, extend your down and follow citation, 6.5 mile final, descending out at 2,300 feet, advise that traffic in sight.
Oh, extend the downwind and advise when we have the citation inside. Cessna 01 Golf.
33 Papa Juliet, use caution, there's more close but clear, first, third, right side, vehicle midfield, left side.
I know it's a little bit hard. There you go. Now you're making that correction because we're kind of drifting just slightly away from the runway. Not a lot, just a little bit.
Inside 83 Papa Juliet, just to be advised, you do appear slightly east, of course.
Yeah, that's what we're showing as well, but we're showing centered on the RNAV, so I'm not sure.
If they're slightly east of course, that means they're going to be coming kind of directly at us.
And that's a Cessna, that's not a citation.
No, the citation's way out there.
Yeah, he was like 6 miles out, right?
Yep.
Side 3 Papa Juliet, looks like it's correcting now. Yeah, we got the field site way back out, but compared to our RNAV here, our RNAV needle, it was a little long. Copy that. Set 01 Golf, traffic you're following at your 1 o'clock, correction, 11 o'clock, 3 miles descending at a 2,300 feet citation. Advise that traffic in sight.
I'm looking for the traffic, 01 Golf.
Cessna 6 Mike Papa, stay parking.
Southwest East, 6 Mike Papa.
Cessna 6 Mike Papa, Lima 3, Lima, cross runway 12, turn right runway 24. Cessna 6 Mike Papa, did you copy?
Say again, please, for 6 Mike Papa.
Cessna 6 Mike Papa, turn left on Lima, cross runway 12, turn right runway 24.
Yep, got it. Lima, cleared across 12, right turn on 24 to the southwest east, 6 Mike Papa.
Says 01 Golf, turn base, the traffic's off your left, runway 16, clear to land number 2.
Turn base, clear land number 216, and we have the traffic. Cessna 6001 Golf.
That's 7 Jude Alpha, left 360 back to the downwind, and then I'll call your base.
Left 360 back to the downwind, you'll call the base, 87 Juliet Alpha.
Alright, so again, we're going to do that short field landing, okay?
Okay.
So those aiming markings, those 3 nice large white lines on the runway, that's our touchdown point, okay?
Right.
So you can go ahead and start getting yourself all configured up here.
Airport 3, we're finished here. Kilo 3 can reopen this intersection. Like to work close and clear to 16, Kilo 2.
Airport 3,
2
close to runway
1000.
16,
3 1000.
Close and clear 16, Kilo 2. This is approved. Airport 3, thank you, sir.
Alrighty. And you want to wait to put in that last notch of flaps before you're like on short final.
Okay.
And that's always fun. Alright, go ahead and put the second notch of flaps in there.
1000. 2003.
And when you're coming in the POH, it says that you're supposed to be at about 60, 65 on short final.
Okay. Turn left on Echo, cross runway 24, Alpha to Hawthorne.
Echo, cross 24, Alpha to Hawthorne for
Citation 700 Charlie Mike, can you take it on the roll?
65.
Charlie Mike.
70 Charlie Mike, Cessna's a mile out, turn left heading 040 within a half-mile departure on runway 16, clear to take off.
Clear to go, Charlie Mike.
Alright, so you might want to add just a touch of powder.
Advise the Cessna approaching a mile final inside at 1,100 feet.
Looking for that Cessna 87 Juliet Alpha.
And then you'll probably want to throw in that third notch of flaps. And then shortly before we're about to come in and land, yep, last notch of flaps in there.
Right now?
No, not yet.
I have the Cessna on final inside 87 Juliet Alpha.
Says 7 Jude Alpha, number 2, runway
We'll just wait on
16,
just
clear
a
to
tad
touch
bit more.
Number 2, and this will actually be a full stop bacteria 2 for 87 Juliet Alpha.
Copy that.
Check your tower.
You can go ahead, last notch.
05 Juliet is with you, always have that man.
All the further they're going to go.
5005 Juliet.
And then just make sure you keep that point right where you want it. So you see those 3 lines on either side?
Okay, we have
That's where we're trying to land. And you're just using your power to help you get there.
Citation 0 Charlie Mike, heading 040. Connection got departure, have a nice flight.
040, departure now for Charlie Mike.
And then start reducing that throttle just a little bit.
Caution for many equipment close but clear first.
And then right now pull it all the way up.
05 Juliet with us.
There you go. Flaps up. Max braking.
Max braking. There's a truck on Kilo 2.
Yeah, so again, don't hit the brakes. We're just simulating that. So don't hit the brakes. And keep rolling.
Okay.
01 Golf, continue down to Kilo 3 Kilo and remain my frequency.
Kilo 3 Kilo and remain with you, Cessna 01 Golf.
Says 01 Golf, Cessna's approaching a half-mile final.
Roger, we'll speed it up, 01 Golf. That's why I said don't hit the brakes.
Okay.
and then to the left.
Princess 05 Juliet, do you recall the bases?
We just kind of flew out of them here, but they were just beneath us before we flew out of them.
Got that.
05 Juliet has airport site.
Princess 05 Juliet, runway 16, clear to land, number 1, safe parking.
Now we're going to Atlantic.
Tower, you want 87 Alpha Kilo 3?
78 Alpha, continue down to Echo, cross runway 24.
Well, the flare went really quick. I mean,
Echo cross 24.
is that fairly normal, or?
Thanks for the help.
You want to kind of get yourself a little bit more in that
No
ground
problem.
effect.
And again, let me know if you're ever confused by the instructions.
Like you sink rather quickly when you have full flaps in there. It's just that we want to kind of get ourselves into that flare just a little bit more. And like the maneuver itself, or the landing itself, it was fine. We were just a tad bit flat.
Yeah.
But it was still fine. Like we were able to hit our point. Just again, stimulate, not do. Stimulate max braking. So we're going to pretend like we're hitting on the brakes. We're going to pull back on the yoke like this. We're going to raise those flaps all the way up.
Got it.
Just to help us get a little bit of more of that braking power. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do a soft field takeoff, okay? So,
all right.
Tower, you got airport 31 at company. We're at Lima 2.
We're just going to pull this back like this, and we're going to keep it here. And you're going to call them up, say that you're ready to go.
Airport 31 and company, there's a twin Cessna 3 out, cross runway 16
Right here.
northeast. And when you get a chance, we got some birds out here if anybody wants to come and disperse later.
Copy. Cross the 16 now, and then I'll figure out some of the birds. Airport 31 at company.
Thank you.
All right, we're ready to go.
Yep.
Executive Tower, Cessna 6001 Golf. Ready for departure, runway 16.
Cessna 6001 Golf, Tower, roger that. You'll go after the next arrival.
Roger, 601 Golf.
Good. So, good. That gives us a little bit of time. So, what you're going to do is, again, you're going to keep that back pressure. You're not going to actually use the brakes. So, again, when we roll out, we'll just continually roll out. We're going to slowly introduce that throttle.
They're right at the
And as we have this back pressure, you're going to see that the plane's going to want to start to get up. You'll start to lessen that out just little by little. Get yourself into that ground effect, and keep yourself in that ground effect until we get to that 70. And then when we're at the 70, then we'll continue that back pressure, pitch up, climb out how we normally do. So this one is always a little bit more difficult for people to kind of really master, all because, you know, when you have that back pressure in here, people get very, very nervous with that horn going off as we're about to get off the ground.
Mm-hmm.
So all you got to do is just lessen that out just a little bit, and then eventually the plane's going to get off the ground, and it's probably going to happen around that 60. And you want to make sure that you lower that nose and keep us going nice and level, get us into that ground effect to allow that speed to build up. And then 70, pitch up.
Okay.
Clear to land. Actually, the vehicles are gone, so continue and runway 16, clear to land.
Yeah, that guy's just going to keep popping out.
And we do have Sierra.
That's normal. But bring the throttle back up to 1,000.
Twin Cessna 05 Juliet, turn right, runway 30 Lima to Atlantic, remain my frequency.
30 Lima, we'll stay with you for 05 Juliet.
And have all that back pressure in there, so all the way back.
That's 01 Golf, no delay, right or left traffic, your choice, runway 16, clear for takeoff, beach jets 4 mile final.
All right, clear for takeoff, 16, no delay, Cessna 6001 Golf.
Beach jet 1 Bravo Charlie, where'd you say parking was?
So keep that back pressure in there.
Say again.
Say parking.
And again, we'll just roll out into the runway how we normally do.
Okay.
Send tower citation.
No brakes.
Tango Fox with you on nav 16 approach. We'll maintain 170 at grade by Tammy.
Citation 427 Tango Foxtrot Tower, advise you have information Sierra
And go
number
ahead,
2
start adding that throttle in there. Keep that back pressure.
Runway 16, clear to land.
16 clear to land with Sierra, 7 Tango Fox.
Okay, we're about to get off the ground in a couple seconds here. Now lower that nose. Lower the nose, get the ground effect.
And executive tower,
About that 70.
Alpha Yankees 4 miles outside.
Okay, go ahead, pitch up.
16. FedEx 56 Alpha Yankee Tower, advise you have information Sierra.
And you still want to climb at that 70. So 70 is always key.
Sierra 56 Alpha Yankee.
Yeah, like I said, that the nitrous is going to keep popping out just like that. I mean, it's full rich. That's just what it is.
Oh, okay.
Says 01 Golf, make right traffic on the go.
Right traffic on the go, Cessna 01 Golf.
Tower Airport 3 at Charlie and 24, like to cross 24 and then disperse. Airport 3, cross and right 24 and disperse. Crossing 24, then disperse in Airport 3, thanks sir.
Alrighty. Go ahead. I know we normally do this at 1200, but this guy's going to take forever to get up there. But about 1100, that's where we get that turn.
That is 219 Charlie, get back. I'll get you going after this beach check clears. Cessna 3103 Victor, Tal, you go after the next arrival.
3103 Victor, Roger, and we'd like to amend our departure request, touch and goes.
Copy that. Beach jet 1 Bravo Charlie, turn left to runway 12 with Able.
Yeah, we got the runway 1 Bravo Charlie.
Beach jet 1 Bravo Charlie, turn left on Kilo, signatures at the base of the tower, remain my frequency.
Okay, on the runway here, left turn Kilo with you to signature 1 Bravo Charlie, thanks.
FedEx 9 Charlie, get back. There's a citation, 4 mile final. Start your left turn heading 040 within a half mile departure end, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
040 within half mile, 16 clear for takeoff, don't match request.
Tower Airport 3, those birds disperse off to the east. We're at Alpha and Echo. I'd like to get back to Kilo 2. Airport 3, thanks a lot for that. Alpha, Echo, Kilo, Kilo 2, cross runway 24 on the way. Alpha, Echo, Kilo, Kilo 2, cross 24, Airport 3, thank you. Says 01 Golf, make a left 360 back to the down and then plan on following this citation. Currently 7 mile final.
Left 360 back to the downwind and we'll follow the citation on final, Cessna 01 Golf.
And we're descending just ever so slightly.
Citation 9 Charlie, get back heading 040, Connex got departure, have a nice flight.
Alright, going 040 with departure.
Citation 6 Alpha Yankee, traffic you're following short final, number 2, runway 16, clear to land, safe parking.
16 cleared land, going to Hawthorne, 56 Alpha Yankee, field safe.
The 6 Alpha Yankee, thanks, and just be advised there'll be a vehicle close but clear first, third, left side.
Affirmative, 6 Alpha Yankee.
Jet 658, I'm waiting on a call back.
658.
Citation 7 Tango Foxtrot, safe park.
Going to Hawthorne Tower.
Citation 7 Tango Foxtrot, second left turn on runway 12, then Alpha to Hawthorne behind the fire truck.
Alright, get set up.
A second left to
Nope.
Hawthorne.
Not yet.
Runway.
Remember, we still got to wait for that other traffic. We got to see those guys
12, then Alpha.
before we want to get ourselves all set up here.
12 then Alpha.
And remember,
06 Victor, no delay on the roll, runway 16, clear for takeoff, right, left, chest, your choice. There's a citation, 3 mile final.
wait for that guy.
Okay.
No delay, runway 16, we'll make left traffic, Cessna 3103 Victor. Tower 7 Tango Fox,
I got him.
Turn to the wrong. You want me to take a left here on Kilo?
You're going to Hawthorne, correct?
Correct.
No, straight ahead, and then where you see that looks
You
like
see
a
him?
Challenger coming out. That's where
No.
you're headed to. That's the Hawthorne ramp.
About 2 o'clock now.
You can give them a call right now, see if they want
They're
to go all the way
slightly
down
below
the
us.
runway to the south ramp.
Right there.
Yep, got
Copy that.
Says 01 Golf, traffic you're following is off the right, 1,500 feet citation.
And traffic in sight, Cessna 01 Golf.
Says 01 Golf, turn base to follow that traffic. I'll have a citation departing prior to your arrival.
Alright, we'll follow the traffic, turn base, Cessna 01 Golf. Alright,
target point is secure to
now get set up.
Yep, now you can do that. Yeah, you always want to wait on that, especially on a 150. We don't have a lot of power, so if you kind of start putting those flaps in there and reducing the throttle, we'll sink rather quickly.
We got Sierra, we'll split our.
And then we'll have to basically be chasing all that stuff to kind of get back to where we want to get to. Yep, now you can go ahead and add that notch of flaps in there, at least just for 1.
1,000, 2,000, 1,000.
And just remember, same deal. We want to have full flaps in there, and we want to make sure that we have just a touch of power left in there. Because when we come in and land, we want to try to prevent that nose wheel from settling on the ground. So there is no aiming point that we need to necessarily hit. It's just that we're trying to prevent that nose wheel from touching the ground as long as we possibly can. Alrighty, go ahead and put in another notch of flaps.
2, 1,000, 3, 1,000.
And same deal, just how we did with the short field. We're going to wait until we put in that very, very last notch of flaps till we're very, very short final.
Okay, well, we're landing the full flaps, right?
Yep.
Okay, so I can add another notch now.
Yep. Inbound for landing with information Sierra. Citation 6 Alpha Yankee, turn left on Delta, then Alpha, cross runway 30, and just give way to the outbound Cirrus.
Approach 60 to 65 again.
Delta Alpha, cleared to cross runway 30.
Exact same.
Way to the
And the only thing that's going to be different is we're going to have just a little bit of power left in there.
Bravo Tower, continue inbound from runway 16, and just be advised, appears light precipitation for the next 5 miles inbound. 100 proceed inbound runway 16, 96 Bravo.
Alright, so
Golf runway 16, clear to land.
Clear to land, Cessna 01 Golf 16.
go ahead, last notch of flaps.
And Tower 96 Bravo, be advised your transmissions are readable but weak. It almost sounds like your microphone is several inches from your face.
Copy that.
Ah, that's much better. Welcome back.
People. Alright, might want to add just a little bit of that throttle so we can kind of make it to that runway.
Jumping up 300 Lima Juliet's ready for departure in sequence.
Phenom 300 Lima
And
Juliet,
reduce that throttle.
You're currently number 2.
Number 2.
And a little bit of that flare, a little bit more throttle back out.
Jet 658, runway 16, line up wave,
And
ready
want
to
to
go.
hold that.
3 miles.
See, if you have too much power in here, that's what happens.
We'll be ready to go. Jet 658.
Okay.
Cessna 01 Golf, no delay down to Kilo 3, Kilo, remain my frequency.
Alright, we'll hurry down to Kilo 3 and remain with you. Cessna 01 Golf.
Secure at 285, just be
That's up.
advised,
Power
just
feet off.
but clear first, third, left side.
Adding.
At Tower, Second City 767 is holding short of 12 at Delta. Second City 767, time, working on your release.
Roger.
Says 03 Victor, extend down, I'll call your base.
Extend downwind, 3103 Victor.
Jet 658, start your left turn heading 040 within a half-mile departure end.
Clear to the right.
Clear for takeoff,
Clear
use
to the left.
the vehicle off the left.
Alright, clear. Takeoff on 040.
Follow the Archer on the go, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
Follow the Archer on the go, clear for takeoff 16, Cessna 01 Golf.
That means we're going to be making left traffic as well.
Cirrus 226 Papa Kilo, you guys ready?
Yep, 226 Papa Kilo.
Copy that, I'm working on your release.
Milwaukee Tower, Jet 761 on the RNAV 16.
Cirrus 6 Papa Kilo, King Air 350 Echo Sierra, I'm working on your release too. Jet 761 Tower, advise you have information Sierra, continue inbound from runway 16, LG sequence closer in. And there's a vehicle close but clear first, third, left side.
Full throttle.
Okay, we'll
Green.
Jet 761.
There's 24 Whiskey, runway 12, clear to land, safe parking.
Hangar 6, 24 Whiskey, clear to land, 12.
50.
That's 60, and we'll lower that nose, get us up to that 70. That's what we want to try to climb out at. And we want to try to hold that 70 as fast as we possibly can. So remember, you can use that trim off. That makes things a little easier. Okay, now you're clear of your 50-foot obstacle. Go ahead, flaps up. Drifting a little bit. And then if you take a look to your left, you should be able to see that Archer. Got him in sight.
Archer 56 Papa, no. Down, I'll call your base.
They're behind us.
Downwind, you call the base.
Go ahead,
Okay.
left turn.
Meridian 550, runway 12, line up away. Cessna's on the extended left downwind for runway 16.
Line up, wait, runway 12, Meridian 53, 550.
There's 24 Whiskey, turn right on Alpha, and at Kilo 5, hold short of runway 16.
Right on Alpha at Kilo 5, hold short on 1624 Whiskey.
Meridian 550 here, do you have that Cessna on the downwind just off the departure in sight there at 1,500 feet in a left turn?
Affirmative, 550.
Meridian 550, turn left heading 040 outside that traffic, maintain 3,000 feet, runway 12, clear for takeoff.
Left to 040 outside the traffic, climb maintain 3,000 feet, clear for takeoff, runway 12, Meridian 53550.
Jet 761, there's an Archer extended left on to follow 1,800 feet. You're number 1, runway 16, clear to land, safe parking.
16 cleared to land, look for Archer at Atlantic, exit Jet 761.
Jet 761, there's a vehicle close to the clear first, there's left side.
761, roger.
Executive Tower, Challenger November 1870 Golf, over Haigu on the RNAV 16 approach.
Challenger 1870 Golf, Tower continuing bound for runway 16, advise you have information Sierra, vehicle close to clear, first, third, left side of the runway.
We have information Sierra, continuing 1870 Golf.
Archer 56 Papa, I'm going to have to get some departures out, so you're going to extend to follow a Challenger, 9-mile final, descending on to 2,500 feet, advise the traffic in sight.
We'll be looking for that traffic, 856 Papa.
Meridian 552, have that traffic in sight.
And they're more than likely going to extend us as well.
Yeah.
550, thanks, Connesh, got departure, have a nice flight.
Chicago departure, Meridian 53550.
Challenger 70 Golf, I'll have departures holding prior to your arrival.
Roger, 1870 Golf.
Archer 56 Papa, just widen out the downwind a bit.
Widening that downwind, 56 Papa.
Says 01 Golf, do you have the Archer ahead of you on the downwind side, approximately 11 o'clock and 2 miles, 1,700 feet?
Looking for traffic, 01 Golf.
There's 226 Papa Kilo, runway 16, line up way, use caution for vehicle close to the clear first.
Clouds are pretty low now, and yeah, visibility's
Line up and wait, 226 Papa Kilo.
not the greatest.
226 Papa Kilo, additional traffic is a Challenger on a 6-mile final.
I can't see them, but I know that they're right in front of us here.
Right.
Jet 761, turn right at Lima 4, Lima, cross runway 6 and runway 12, remain my frequency.
Right turn and take Lima, cross runway 6, runway 12, and with you, 76C1.
Archer 56 Papa, turn base.
Executive Tower, we have that traffic in sight, 856 Papa.
Archer 56 Papa, turn base.
Turning base, 56 Papa.
I got him.
Sierra 6 Papa Kilo, sir, your left turn heading 040.
We're about to come in front of our nose now.
16, clear for takeoff.
Alright, I'm looking for
Takeoff 16, right turn, left turn.
Slightly above our nose, but right there.
Challenger 70 Golf, runway 16, clear to land, safe parking.
Clear to land, runway 16,
nothing.
on 187 Golf.
They're literally right in front of us.
701 Golf, traffic of followings ahead to the left on the base, Archer, same altitude, advice traffic in sight.
You got the darkness, go ahead, tell them.
And was that the
Right over there.
site 187 Golf?
traffic in sight for 01 Golf.
01 Golf, follow that traffic.
I'll follow the Archer, 01 Golf.
And this is probably going to have to be a full stop. It's 9:45.
Archer 56 Papa will have a King Air holding a position, advise the traffic in sight.
You got him, right?
I do not know.
Traffic 856 Papa.
Oh, there he is. Jeez. Alright, now I got him. So turn base when I'm abeam of him?
Yep, because that's an Archer and they're going to be moving a lot faster than us. Go ahead, right now.
040 in contact, Chicago departure.
040 over to departure, 6 Kilo.
Yeah, they have 180, we only have 100. Plus the VOR is literally right there, I can see it. Like we're almost all the way by the Norfolk VOR, so we're about 5.5 miles out right now.
Okay.
King Air 350 Echo Sierra, runway 16, line up await. Use caution for vehicle close but clear on the left side, and there's an Archer approaching at 2.5 mile final.
Line up and wait, sir, we'll be ready.
Okay, still got them in sight?
Yep.
Alrighty.
Challenger 70 Golf, notally exiting. If you can make runway 12, that's approved.
It will exit here for 187 Golf.
Challenger 70 Golf, runway 12, Alpha, remain my frequency.
Okay, and we'll take Alpha into Hawthorne with you, 187 Golf.
Appreciate your help. King Air 0, Echo Sierra, start your left turn heading 040 within a half-mile departure end, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
Start the turn to 040 within a half-mile in, clear to go, 0 Echo Sierra.
Archer 56 Papa.
Start getting set up.
Clear to land 16, 56 Papa.
Okay. 1 Golf, number 2, following the Archer, runway 16, clear to land.
Number 2, clear to land 16, 01 Golf.
03 Victor, will be next.
Roger.
That's pleasant.
Yep.
Alright, we're flaps extended, speed. 31000.
King Air 0, Echo Sierra, thanks for your patience. I know you got a departure, have a nice flight.
Talk to you later, 0 Echo Sierra. Executive Tower, Skyline 1 ready to hold Romeo, hold in right behind the Challenger and Kilo, ready to take off on 16.
Skyline 118, Hotel Romeo Tower, I'm working on your release.
Roger that, Hotel Romeo, thank you, sir.
Two 1000, 3 1000. What kind of landing are we doing?
We're doing that soft field again.
Okay.
So you might want to start adding just a little bit more of that power, so that way we're not rushing it at the end when we're trying to maintain that altitude for us to get down and land nice and softly.
Yeah, Tower Challenger 825 Tango Foxtrot is RNAV 16.
Archer 56 Papa, can you make Lima 3?
Negative 56 Papa.
Alright, expedite down to Echo Kilo, remain my frequency back to runway 16.
Expedite, say Lima Kilo, 56 Papa.
Turn left on Echo, then Kilo, expedite exiting.
Expediting, Echo, Kilo, 56 Papa.
Set H, correction, Challenger 825 Tango Foxtrot Tower, continue inbound from runway 16. I'll have a Challenger holding in position.
Okay, continue 16, Tango Fox.
And 401 Bravo,
looking better now.
making sure you're ready to taxi. We can take the clear.
Don't take that power out just yet.
Alright, come up on ground. I'm a little busy right now. 119.9er.
Tower, reset jet 611.
Alright, go ahead and start reducing that throttle.
About that 21.7 for ground and taxi.
Roger.
Keep it right about there.
Tower, morning, set jet 611.
That's clear.
They are nav 16.
Let it clear, let it settle.
03 Victor, runway 16, line up and wait.
Keep that back pressure.
5 mile final, be ready to go.
Line up and wait, 3103 Victor.
Good.
Jet 611 Tower, continue inbound from runway 16. When you hit the mark, reduce to approach speed. I'll have traffic holding in position prior to arrival. Cessna 01 Golf, nodal exiting at Kilo 3, follow the Archer back to runway 16.
Exit Kilo 3, and actually we're going to go to Area 2.
Area 2, contact ground.
Over to ground, Cessna 01 Golf.
Cessna 03 Victor, make right traffic on the go, runway 16, clear for takeoff.
Right traffic for 163103 Victor.
Challenger 5 Tango Foxtrot, runway 16, clear to line. Use caution for vehicle close but clear, first, third, left side.
Okay,
right there.
clear land 16, and look out for that vehicle assist.
And executive ground, Cessna 6001 Golf at Kilo 3, request taxi to Area 2.
01 Golf behind the B-Jet, Kilo, Echo Bravo, cross runway 24.
On the B-Jet, Kilo, Echo Bravo, cross 24, Cessna 01 Golf.
1 Bravo Charlie, go ahead.
Okay, yeah, we're cleared Bravo Indio Victor via eBake Direct 2000, 6010, 20.55 on the Freak 5347 on the Squawk 401 Bravo Charlie.
1 Bravo Charlie, read back correct.
Clear left, clear right. We got Sierra, thanks man.
Alright. After landing checklist, we cleared the runway, we're on ground, wing flaps are up. Thank you for doing that. Carb heat is off, and landing and taxi lights are off, and will stay off. After landing checklist is complete.